here beside me is Mr. Ton Sebastian Lobo, the owner of this cafe.
Hello everyone, welcome to our cafe.
Kamusta po kayo today?
Ayos naman. Exciting kasi nandito kayo para feature kami.
Okay po. So, pwede niyo po ba kami i-tour sa loob po ng Cafe Chico?
Of course, tayo. So, as you can see, this is our main board. So, dito naman ginagawa lahat ng mga drinks namin dito sa Chingo. Dito sa Cafe Chingo, we offer different varieties of drinks from coffees to soda.
How did you come up with the name of the cafe? Kasi pa nagtataka ko bakit Cafe Chico?
Cafe Chingo kasi is a Korean term for friend. And since we would like to offer our customer a friendly price at the same time yung friendly vibe ng cafe, so we've decided to use the Chingo term, Korean term for friend. And marami kasi mga nagpo-pop up or mga bagong mga Korean cafe ngayon. Supposedly dapat Korean vibe dapat yung cafe natin. Due to some financial difficulties, kailangan namin gawing minimalist yung cafe natin.
So, alam niyo na guys, so yung Chico means friend. Okay? Everyday po ba marami po yung mga customers niyo? And mostly po ba nun is mga students po since malapit po yung school?
From Monday to Friday, marami kaming customers from Concies, from BSNs, and from Holy Cross College. Peak hours namin is usually from 11 a.m. hanggang 1 p.m. And majority of our customers are students talaga.
So sa dami-dami po ng mga businesses, bakit po coffee shop po yung itayo?
Dami ng coffee shop ngayon na nagpa-pop up from one place to another. So, medyo challenging na mag-open ng another coffee shop. Pero kasi, gusto kasi namin mag-offer ng something na budget-friendly sa mga students. Yun kasi yung naglalak ngayon sa mga coffee shop. Medyo nagiging pricey na sila. So, we would like to offer something na affordable sa mga students.
Napansin ko lang po maganda po yung interior and exterior po ng cafe nyo. Sino po yung nag-design and nag-isip po ng mga design?
Actually, yun nga, tulad na sinabi ko kanina, supposedly dapat Korean vibe yung gagawin namin. Pero dahil sa medyo limited yung pera namin, ito ka mo po yung magandang interior design. Ginawa namin is kinat down namin yung parang amount ng pera na ilalaan namin sa interior. So kami na lang isa sa partners namin dito sa design. So ginawa namin medyo minimalist.
Ano po yung mga best sellers po ng Cafe Chico?
One of our best sellers is caramel macchiato and Spanish latte. For the soda naman, green apple. Yun usually na binibili ng mga bata.
Do you plan to make any signature dishes po in the future?
Yes, we're actually planning to come up with a lot of dishes. And eventually gagawa kami ng signature dish na dito lang sa Cafe Chingo makikita. And as of now, wala pa kami idea kung ano yun. Pero sometime in the future, for sure, maglalagay sa
Alam niyo na mga ka-Chico, abangan natin yung signature dishes ni Mr. Ton. Ano po yung pwede niyong recommend sa mga first-timer na hindi po siya bestseller pero it is actually delightful?
Sa mga coffee beans namin, actually, ang pinaka-favorite namin before or yung isa sa inspiration namin kung bakit namin din yung Cafe Chingo is yung salted caramel. At a lot of people na binibili yung salted caramel kasi medyo pricey siya compared sa ibang mga based or mga parang budget-friendly namin na coffee. Pero kung magre-recommend ako, salted caramel.
So ito po yung caramel macchiato. Actually good, Sir Don. Ito yung mga ingredients na
So, our caramel macchiato consists of vanilla syrup and caramel syrup and milk and concentrated espresso. We usually add yung caramel drizzle on top para mas caramel yung taste ng caramel.
So, Mr. Tan, may mga ready po akong questions from followers. And sasagutin niyo po siya. Ready na po ba kayo?
Ready.
So, first question is from Liz1104. What are the different ways for customers and or suppliers to contact you?
Our main ways to communicate with our customers and suppliers is via Messenger talaga. So, yung mga companies ngayon, meron yung mga suppliers namin, meron na silang Messenger. So, we can message them via Messenger. And yung mga customers din namin, usually nag-message nila sa Messenger para mag-inquire about the location and kung ano yung menu and kung price.
Next question is from Danica. How often do you use phones or cellular phones for business?
Every day. Ngayon, nowadays, social media is very important sa mga businesses. So, kailangan namin mag-register every day and kailangan namin check yung phone namin from time to time kasi may mga orders na sinesend via Messenger.
Third question po is from Kurt_19. Does your establishment have an internet connection? If yes, what it is purpose? If no, would you consider having it in the future? Why or why not?
Yes, meron kaming internet ngayon and we actually allow our customers now to connect sa internet namin. Before kasi hindi, kasi we have limited space. So, hindi namin ma-allow yung customers namin na mag-stay longer than 2 hours kasi due to limited seats. Pero ngayon, dahil in-improve na namin yung place and mas bigger na siya, we can actually accommodate up to 50 students at a time. So, pwede na kami offer ng internet sa mga bata.
This question is from Darcy. Does your business have a website? If yes, how does it help the company? If no, would you consider having one in the future? Why or why not?
Wala nang website yung cafe namin and I don't think we will acquire one in the future kasi nowadays, like I mentioned earlier, mas important natin yung social media presence ngayon. So, meron kaming mga social media like Facebook, Instagram. We don't have TikTok yet, pero probably soon. Pero as for the website, feeling ko hindi na siya need, lalo na sa mga small businesses like ours.
Next po is, would you consider giving free Wi-Fi access in the future if you already have it? Does it help boost sales from Isabella?
Yes. Yung Wi-Fi kasi, it boosts sales in terms of it encourages our customers to visit us. Dito sila gumawa ng mga projects and assignments and research nila. And some customers nag-stay sila dito listening to music using their headsets and stuff like that. So, ino-offer namin yung internet.
So, Mr. Don, for the last question from Julene, what advice would you give to viewers, especially students from this generation?
My advice ko sa mga students natin ngayon is to study hard and at the same time, if you're into business, it's scary to start your own business pero as you go on kasi, you'll learn from your mistakes basta just keep on learning and moving forward. So, yun yung may masasuggest and ma-encourage ko yung mga kids ngayon.
So that's it, girlies. Thank you so much, Mr. Don, for having us here. And nice to meet you. So may mga gusto po ba kayo sabihin sa vlog?
Yes, hello. Para sa mga followers, kindly support us, support our small business. And you can follow us on Facebook and as well as on Instagram. Cafe Dad Single.
That's the